Well, we've had a continuation of the sort of modern/contemporary landscape design that really was moving forward in 2022. We've had a continuation of that in 2023. It's a style that I really like. It plays really well to the typical type of architecture that we're seeing built right now. So it's moving forward, and I expect to continue to see that on into 2024. We're also seeing a kind of a resurgence of sort of that type of landscaping style that I refer to as luxury cabin, kind of that up north feel, more big rocks and that sort of heavy natural look of that we have up north. We're seeing a resurgence of that, so I really like that look as well. The most important change that we've been seeing lately is the move to using native plantings. A lot of our clients and landscape designs are reflecting a much more native and environmentally friendly landscape. So that's the other big change.